I'm Wynne. I'm the Plaid Cymru candidate for Aberconwy in the upcoming Senedd elections. Representing Llanrwst has been the greatest honour of my life. I can't play football, I can't play rugby, so I've never had the honour of wearing my town's shirt, but I can go into the council chamber and represent Llanrwst, so it's a massive honour. As a young person who wants to remain living and working locally, I know just how difficult that is. Many of my friends have already moved away from the area in search of work and in search of somewhere to live. It's just no longer sustainable to have so much of the local housing stock out of reach of those people who want to live and work locally. Everyone needs a home. As we deal with the effects of COVID-19, we must also tackle the other global pandemic, which is the climate emergency. Every part of this constituency constantly faces flood warnings. Tackling the climate emergency and building a sustainable environment must be the top priority for the next Welsh Government. At the last Senedd election, Plaid Cymru came within 750 votes of beating the Tories and winning Aberconwy. We're so close to making that change. Your vote counts here in Aberconwy.